Josie Nicholas.
I'm waiting.
much.
We'll just have you and Miss Naru here with the digital team.
April, which is your preferred side for both? No. One, thank you. 2, 3. Just this will help you get connected. One. This one? Yes. Genevieve. She's like again. You're ready.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
One, 2, 3. Hermes. So that's digital way of bringing out this future smile. Hermes.
Josie, so the Naru media will just have a quick interview with you in front of the banner, please. So we're just quickly doing the interview.
Josie. Sorry.
Welcome to Naru. Naru is very excited to have you, and we're very excited to host. This is our very first time to host this specific album. So, tell us what do you expect from this specific album in 2024?
Thank you. 2024. Ekamawiramu, beautiful people of Nauru, I'm truly excited to be here. We had a smooth flight. We landed well with the pilots and the flight attendants with warm welcome, starting right in the plane all the way out. Everyone was like really warm with their greetings, and I'm truly grateful to be here today. We're really excited. All the islands, I believe, are excited because this is a time to unite and come together and embrace our beautiful culture and our diversity for our Pacific people. And this is also a time to see the strength of our women across the Pacific. So I'd like to congratulate Naru on hosting the first ever Pacific Island pageant, the first time here in the Micronesian region, and we're really excited for Honolulu too, and I congratulate you on that. And we have 7 queens coming from across the Pacific who will be representing their people in their island. So what I expect is to really come together, share that one love, unity, and embrace the togetherness that we share as a Pacific region, and really support each other. It's going to be a competitive week, but we are all here because we love the Pacific and we're here to represent our people. So I look forward to seeing all the girls shine on stage and really showcasing the beautiful islands, the talents, the intelligence, and the people of Nauru just being warm and loving. And we look forward to exploring your island and really enjoying with the family and people all around here, because this is the time to celebrate. Yes.
Okay, you'll be here for Independence as well. And we'll be celebrating So, a message to the women across the Pacific. How do you balance your personal, professional, and cultural aspirations as being Islander woman?
Firstly, I'm looking forward to celebrating the Independence Day with Honolulu. It's going to be a big year. 56 is a big number, and we look forward to celebrating that Independence Day with all of you. And how I balance my personal life with the pageant life, I say that God is the bridge between every success. So I find courage and peace when I lean onto my faith and balance my personal life with the pageant life, and that's how I tend to overcome my fears, overcome my challenges, and just put on the elegant face and smile, and just smile in the face of adversity. Because I believe this platform is to empower women and make them strong and come out and just face their fears, overcome and represent their people with pride. Because we have so much to offer, and we're here to show it to the world and receive it.
Hey, Jason, thank you very much for your time. I understand it's been a long time. So, I hope you enjoy the rest of this day.
Thank you. Thank you. To my encouragement to all the people of Nauru and our young women out there, you are strong, you be bold, be brave, be beautiful, and embrace your natural and authentic self, and put God first in everything you do. And we look forward to celebrating with you all Nauru people and my pageant sisters who are coming on board. I look forward to sharing this journey with them and just embracing the friendship and sisterhood that we will be building during this 14 days of being here. So let's go Team Nauru and all the Pacific sisters coming from across the region. God bless. And Bikwa. Did I say it right?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Before we leave, some more people are really excited to meet you.
Welcome to Nauru.
Thank you.
It's a gift to you.
Bless your heart. This is really showing
They can take a picture on the digital banner. Yeah, they can take a picture. What does for Yeah, no. One, two, three. One more. One.
Oh, the cameras are there.
So these are actually my new pendants.
My name.
Yes, Shay Shay.
One more. Thank you, people. My next one.
Miss Pacific Island is going to accommodation at Menin Hotel, and we will be live in the morning receiving the other contestants, Miss Samoa, Miss American Samoa, Miss Tonga, Miss PNG. And here's beautiful Nauru, Central Pacific. God bless everyone. See you early in the morning. Okay.
Yep.
So the road is closed while the